Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix your screen not rotating on iPhone. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is check if your portrait orientation lock is turned on. As you can see, it's on mine. I can simply go ahead and turn that off, and then now it will go ahead and rotate. But if your screen won't rotate, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your phone. If that also doesn't fix it, go to your settings and then go ahead and try to update your device right over here. Even if you tried updating and that didn't work, go ahead and check if other applications do support it, because sometimes what happens is some apps don't support rotation. And if that also doesn't work, simply go ahead and try to update your apps and iOS. Also, using a bulky case or screen protector can sometimes interfere with the phone's sensors. So go ahead and check that as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see